Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sussie the Magpie from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the beak. Let's draw a curve down. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the right. And curve it back in. Then across the center, let's draw another curve across. Now inside, let's draw some V-shaped points for the teeth. And that's it for the beak. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the beak and let's draw a curve up, to the left, and down. And then let's bring it down on an angle. Now let's hop back over to the right and let's draw another line down underneath the beak here. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. At the top, next to the beak, let's draw a line across and a curve underneath. And then let's add another curve inside on the top left. And color this in black. Now underneath this eye, we're going to draw the straps of the hat by drawing two curves down and over to the right side. And then next to it on the right, let's draw a bump out. And for the ends of the string, let's draw two curves down and close off the end. And another one next to it. Now let's hop back in and let's continue drawing the eyes. Let's draw another line across. And then a curve down underneath. Now let's add the pupil inside on the top left. And color it in black. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw another eye in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's move on top and draw the hat. Let's start on the left next to the string and let's draw a curve up, bring it on top of the head and back around to the other side. Then on top, let's draw two lines up and then a curve up to close off the top. And then let's add another curve inside at the top here. Now inside this top section, let's draw one more curve at the bottom. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw the wing. Let's start with a curve across. And let's continue it on the right side by curving it over to the left. And now let's close off the top with a wavy line down. Next, inside the wing, let's draw a curve up and over. And then inside the top section, let's draw a large oval. Another one inside. and one more in the center. And that's it for the wing. Now we're going to hop underneath and we're going to draw a curve down and bring it up to the right side. Now we're going to hop back up underneath the neck and let's draw a curve down and bring it over. And then let's continue that on the other side of the leg and curve it up. Now for the other leg, underneath, let's draw another curve down and up. Now to continue the legs, we're going to draw 2 angled lines underneath each leg like this. And then for the feet, let's draw a point out on the left. And then 3 more points to close off each foot. And that's it for the feet. Now on the left, let's draw the tail. On the bottom left of the body, let's angle it out and curve it back up. Then on top, let's draw an angle down and curve it back in underneath. And then let's add one more curve inside the end. And that's it for the tail. Lastly, let's add the pattern on the body. Let's start beside the wing and let's draw a curve over and up across the chest. And then underneath, let's draw an oval. And 2 more on each side. And that's it for Sussie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!